If you're annoyed with the spam calls and want to block all the spam calls getting on your Android device, follow the simple steps. So the first way of doing this is to open up your phone application. Here, make sure to choose your keypad option at the bottom, and now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Press Settings, and after that we're gonna find our caller ID and spam protection option. So tap on it, and to enable it, tap on the switch. Now confirm your choice by pressing Agree, and this option is enabled. Now tap on Block Spam and Spam Calls and agree on that as well. So tap on the switch. Now here you may choose between block all spam and scam calls or block only high-risk scam calls, because sometimes companies which you maybe ordered something and in some databases they're registered as the spam calls, but in fact they are not. So decide what you need, like the high level of protection or the lower level of protection, and enable it. And basically that's it. So an additional method of doing this is through some third-party apps. So open up your Play Store, tap on your search tab at the bottom and open up your search bar. Now we got to search for our Truecaller or Mr. Number application. They have a more advanced filtering option. So let's try and use Truecaller. Choose this application, press install, it give it some time to be installed. Now press open. Now press get started. So give it a permission to do that. So choose your Truecaller and press set as default. Now press continue, press allow, allow once again, allow. You may need to sign in with your Google account, so press continue, choose an account which you want to sign in, press continue. Now choose the phone number you're trying to use. Now press agree and continue, and now you have to verify it. So after your phone number will be verified, so it happens automatically if the SIM is inserted into your phone. Now you can press blocking right here. So you can see some levels of protection, spam callers being identified but not blocked, so choose max, and you will be prompted to buy your extra protection, or simply choose basic. And here you've got your settings, so you can choose notifications for blocked messages. You can see how to block calls, so either ring silent or reject automatically. You can block hidden numbers, numbers from foreign countries, numbers not in phone book. You can manually add block list to phone number, name, word, country code, numbered series, and so on and so forth. Here you can see your messages list, unread messages, your transaction, your OTPs, your inbox, calls, and here you can see who's sending you the message. Like if you don't know the number, but it's registered with some company, you will see it as well. And basically that's it for this application. And the last but not least is to open up your Google, and we gotta search for our do not call.go. Do not call.go. Choose this option. This is a national registry, right? So you have to register your phone or verify your registration. So let's choose register your phone. Now press register here, enter your phone number and your email address, and then confirm your email address and press submit. So let's do this. After you press submit, you will be put in this correction center. So either you can change your information or you can press register. Now you have to open your email and click on the link. So open up your Gmail, find the email that has been sent to you And after you'll notice your National Identical Registry, open it and click on this link. And the registration complete. So it's a very good sign. It means now the marketing calls from officially registered companies would be reduced. Also, here are some tips. So don't forget to regularly update spam blocking apps for better protection. And also keep in mind that some spammers may still bypass filters by frequently changing their numbers. But the steps will definitely make your life easier. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.